สวัสดีครับ Today we're making Thai yellow curry. It's creamy, comforting, and full of warm spices. We'll cook everything in one pot. It's quick, easy, and perfect for dinner any night of the week. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: 4 ounces of yellow curry paste, 500 ml coconut milk, 1 pound chicken thigh or breast, 5 ounce sliced onion, 5 ounce sliced carrot, 10 ounce diced potatoes, 2.5 ounce palm sugar, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon oil, and don't forget, Thai yellow curry is best served with steamed jasmine rice. First, let's prep all the ingredients. Start by cutting potatoes into small chunks. We are using the Yukon Gold potatoes, followed by dicing the onions into small pieces. Onion will naturally give sweetness to your food. Cut a carrot into small chunks like so. Don't cut it too big because it will take a long time for them to cook and soften. Then slice the chicken into bite-sized pieces. We love using skinless and boneless chicken thigh because of its tenderness. You can also use chicken breast for a leaner cut or substitute with other meat options. Next, start by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a pot over medium heat. Once it's hot, add 4 ounces of yellow curry paste and stir fry until it's fragrant for about a minute. This helps bring out all the spices and give your curry a deep, rich flavor. Then, add the chicken pieces and stir them with the curry paste. Cook for about 2 minutes. Make sure to coat the chicken with curry paste entirely. Then add 1 teaspoon of curry powder into the pot. And keep stir frying the chicken for 1 more minute. This is the magic powder to make your yellow curry stand out and taste better. Now, pour in 500 ml of coconut milk into the pot. And give it a gentle stir. Let it cook for about 2 minutes or until you start to see small bubbles forming around the edges. Once the curry comes to its gentle simmer, now it's time to add the potatoes, carrot, and onions into the pot. Then season the curry with 2.5 ounces of palm sugar and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Give it a taste and adjust as needed. Add a little more fish sauce for saltiness or a bit more sugar if you like it sweeter. Stir the pot to mix all the seasoning together and bring the curry to a simmer. Cover the pot and lower the heat. Let the curry simmer until the potatoes and carrot are soft and the chicken is fully cooked for about 8 to 10 minutes. And that's it! Your Thai yellow curry is ready. It's creamy, cozy, and packed with flavor. The perfect comfort food. Serve your yellow curry with hot jasmine rice to make the perfect combo. If you enjoyed these recipes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Thai dishes. Enjoyed!